Welcome to the Australian National Institute of Business and Technology, ANIBT, one of Melbourne's leading private education providers. Our partner training organization, CTA, specializes in training programs for the construction sector. Currently, we focus on vocational programs in carpentry and tiling, including Certificate 3 courses in wall and floor tiling and carpentry. If you're looking to work on construction sites anywhere in Australia and become a qualified tradesperson, first obtaining a Certificate 3 is absolutely essential. At CTA, our mission is to create a supportive learning environment where students can unlock their potential, achieve their career goals, and build a brighter future right here or wherever their journey takes them.